Hello everyone. In the last video we ended up with a 2012 R2 server core by upgrading from 2012. In this video let's promote it to a domain controller. And the tasks will be pretty simple. We just have to install the domain services role and then promote the server to a domain controller using PowerShell. And here are the parameters that I will use. We will make the server a global catalog. We will not create any DNS delegation. The paths to database sysvol and the database will remain the same as the default. Of course, we are going to join the server to testcorp.local in my case. We will install DNS. The server will automatically reboot and the replication will be done from DC01. So let's remote into DC02. And the first thing we have to do is install the ADDS role. Now, after installing the role, we have to promote the server to a domain controller, but we have to do it directly from the server. So this is DC02. This is the code that I will run, and this will be pretty fast. So when we run the command, we have to enter from the console the password for the Active Directory safe mode administrator. And now the actual promotion will begin. And this is the same as if we were to do it from the server manager. When everything is done, the server will restart and we are going to end up with the second domain controller. And you see the info that I will be signed out. And guys, now that we have two domain controllers, I also want to make a couple of settings to the networking part. On DC01, I will configure the DNS servers in the following way. The primary DNS server will be DC01. And now the secondary will be DC02. And on DC02 I will do the opposite. So now on DC02 let's enter sconfig. It's the easiest way, the fastest way. And let's go to network settings. Enter 10. And we want to set the DNS servers. So 2. The first DNS will be 192.168.10.2. The second one will be 192.168.10.1. And that's it. We have just promoted our server core domain controller. In the next video we are going to clone this domain controller and make a third one. And this way we will demonstrate domain controller cloning and how it can be done. If you enjoyed the video, then I would appreciate a like and a share. If you want to see more, then subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.